Welcome back to my channel. It's your lover girl Anastasia, and welcome back to another girly vlog in this lovely channel. How are you? I missed you so much. I missed you. Tomorrow is Friday. It's Black Friday. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Shopping, shopping, shopping. Someone screams for shopping. So before we get started to the vlog, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell down below to have a notification every time I upload videos on my lovely channel. Follow my Instagram, my TikTok for girly content, girly photos and videos on TikTok. My lipstick today is kind of different. It's very Barbie style lipstick. I never tried this before. This is the shade 35 from Kate lipstick. Very Barbie-ish color shade, and I love that actually. What do you think? Tell me in the comments. Does this color suits me? Yes or no? So tomorrow it's Black Friday, and my best friend will come from Leicester to Leeds just for shopping to the city center. And she's gonna stay 3 days, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I decided to start this vlog today, make an intro, and I cannot wait to shop for tomorrow. That is Black Friday. I just filmed like my Christmas wish list. That's why I'm ready, like makeup and dress. So I'm gonna show you what I got. Some of the things that I'm gonna buy tomorrow, it's gonna be like from my Christmas wish list. And don't wait for what I got for Black Friday, because I'm gonna make like what I got for Christmas video, because pretty much I'm gonna buy things that I want for Christmas on my Christmas wish list. Wait for this video like at the end of December. So yeah, I cannot wait to start the Black Friday vlog. So also we're gonna go like on Saturday to the Iceland, like Wonderland that they made in Leeds, and also like to the Christmas market with my best friend, and I can't wait to vlog. I'm gonna have this on the vlog as well. So let's get into the video and see you tomorrow when my best friend is gonna be here. So first of all, we got coffee to go. So first up, Victoria's Secret, of course. Shopping! As you can see, we shopped a lot, and I ordered so many things online. Wait for what I got for Christmas video. Oh my goodness, so yummy. So today is Saturday, and first of all, brunch. I got an amazing waffle with scrambled eggs and maple syrup and halloumi. Like, oh my god. And of course,
more shopping. Look how many people. That's insane. They had like event with DJ.
The city is so full today. I got from JD Adidas tracksuits. Oh my god, it's so cute! Can't believe it. So now we're ready to go to the city center. That's it for the outfit, boots, and so cute. Yesterday it was snowing. It was so cute and amazing. Let's go to the Christmas market. So this is a Christmas market. Look how Christmassy. Oh my god, I love Christmas. He's getting sausage. So pretty here. It's so pretty. Woo! Oh my god! Okay, I need to explain this. This is a game. It's called North Pole, and you just walk in the house and you have all these like difficulties that you need to avoid to finish, to get out of there. Next we went for dinner, and this is Bella Italia, one of the best places for pasta, trust me. After that we wanted to do something fun and excited, and this is golfing club. We are golfing to a nightclub, but it's golf and we keep scores. Oh my god, it's snowing! Oh my god! My god, snowflakes! Look, snowflakes! So pretty! So that was the video. I love you all one by one. Don't forget to subscribe, follow my social medias, and if you want to see what I got for Black Friday, subscribe, stay tuned. I'm gonna do what I got for Christmas video. Love you all. Bye! Oh my god, I'm so happy!